Hi everyone, so hope all of you are doing fine. Today I'm actually going to record a very lovely video. So for more lovely videos and recipes, follow my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I also visit different lovely places, make a lot of different sorts of videos, including my cooking and recipe videos. At the moment right now I'm in the kitchen and going to make some lovely prawn pizza. The prawns were got fresh as it can get from Hope Island, straight from the fishing boat. And if you want to see that video, you have to see my Hope Island video, won't you? And in order to see the Hope Island video, go to my YouTube channel. It's all uploaded over there. It's a very lovely island with so many romantic vibes. It's so beautiful. You get to buy fresh seafood straight from the fishing boat, and it's just a wonderful experience. So do that, and there are also lovely videos over there on my YouTube channel. So subscribe and stay tuned, watch and enjoy. Look at this beauty, everyone. Look at it, so ginormous. It's a very big prawn. Look. So it's a very fresh prawn. So we got it from the Hope Island fishing boats. I think this is the biggest one out of the lot. So this is a large prawn. Nice, isn't it? Very fleshy, very meaty, and very fresh. So we're going to cook this up. Just going to wash my hands nicely first of all. Give it a quick wash. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this prawns up and then I'm going to cut it nicely into small pieces so that we can use it as a topping for the pizza dish that we are going to prepare. As you can see, so these prawns are already cooked. It's been peeled up nicely. So now I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to cut it lengthwise. There we are. So just cutting it lengthwise into half. Here we got about 50 grams of Hungarian hot salami that I'm going to cut into these small tiny shredded pieces. It's looking nice and lovely. And here I also got about 90 grams of bacon, so that's also cut up. The next step is to wash and cut up about 6 stems of spring onion. Our pizza toppings are slowly taking shape. Next thing to do is to chop up 1 capsicum, and there we are. The capsicum is also nicely cut up, so this is a red capsicum, and that's it for the pizza topping. For the base, the Lebanese bread is what I'm using today. So this is the kupus or the Lebanese bread. Just show you the other side. See? And then next, I'm going to make the base sauce for this pizza. In order to do that, I've taken a bowl. Here I've got some sweet potato and cashew dip. This is bought ready-made from the shops. Going to add in about 2 tablespoons of the dip. 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, and about 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. And I'm going to give it all a good mix and combine it nicely together. This is going to be a nice lovely base sauce for the pizza. And here it is, everyone. All the components for the pizza is ready. So this is going to be added on top of the Lebanese bread. Just going to brush it on top of this bread. Yeah, it's nicely done and it's looking very flavorsome. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat a pan with some coconut oil and add in all the toppings, toss it up for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then place it, once it's cool, place it on top of the pizza bread. If you like the toppings to go on top of the pizza bread raw, that's up to your personal preference, but I'm just going to give it all a quick toss in the pan. In goes the capsicum, the bacon, salami, and the spring onion. I'll just leave the prawn for later because this is already cooked prawns. So if you're using raw prawns, then you can put it into the pan, but I'm just going to leave this for the end. I'm going to give it all a good toss around together, just for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can take it off the heat and cool it up. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Now once that's done, we can just add in the prawns as well and give it all a good toss together. Look at these lovely prawns, everyone. It's so nice and meaty, and it's as fresh as it can get because it's come straight from the fishing boat of Hope Island. So don't forget to watch my Hope Island video that's uploaded on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And there we are, everyone. So this is nicely cooled down to room temperature. So this lovely, delicious, flavorsome combination topping is going to go straight over this lovely pizza bread. This is a Lebanese bread, also called couscous, and it's topped up with that lovely base sauce that we made. So now the next step is to add this topping on top of it and then top it off with some shredded cheese. I'll be using the cheddar tasty cheese. Look at this beauty, everyone. So the prawn is definitely going to be the star of the show, but in saying that, the lovely flavors of the capsicum, the spring onion, the bacon, everything, the salami and the base sauce that we put on, everything is going to come together nicely once we place it off into the grill. So before placing it off into the grill, I'm going to add and top it off with some cheddar cheese. And there it is, everyone. The lovely tasty cheddar cheese shreds have gone on top of this. So the next step is to place it onto a baking tray. So just spray on some oil on the base of the baking tray, grease it lightly. Place this pizza on top and put it off into the grill. I just realized I don't have a baking tray that's wide enough to fit this bread, so I just used my cupcake baking tray, but it doesn't matter as long as the pizza is staying nice and steady on top. I'll just grease the top of the baking tray lightly with the oil spray. I use the coconut oil spray and then put the pizza on top. So one tip is don't try to put the topping first. I actually put the bread on a cutting board, put the topping, and then I had to transfer it onto this baking tray, which was very difficult. So one tip would be just put the bread directly on the baking tray and then, you know, spread on the sauce and then add the topping, so you don't have to transfer it later onto the tray. It's ready to go straight into the oven. And finally what I did is just topped it off with some fresh coriander leaves. So nice for that added kick. So it looks nice and lovely, ready to go into the grill for about 10 minutes until the cheese nicely melts. And about 10 minutes have passed by, and here it is, everyone. Look at our lovely pizza. Looking nice, flavorsome and delicious. So just going to transfer it and cut it up. Look at it. So lovely and juicy and cheesy. Very flavorsome. There we are, everyone, nicely plated up. So we're going to cut up and have this baby for dinner. So definitely what inspired me to make this pizza is the lovely fresh prawn, the large prawn that we got from Hope Island. I just can't get over how lovely this pizza looks. So cheesy. Look at that. Lovely cheesy pizza. It's very flavorsome, so cheesy. Definitely a must try. Look at it. So lovely. Apart from that, here it is, everyone. Our lovely combination pizza is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's more than about 200 recipes over there, and it's a very lovely page. So enjoy, take care, and bye.